Lightly sauteed in a little corn oil. These fresh picked zucchini and carrots are just absolutely delicious. The flavor of these vegetables comes out like you would never get from any store-bought produce and mass-produced produce. It's just incredible. The brown rice and chicken were steamed, just one chicken leg quarter. I didn't want to impart a bunch of extra flavor. There's no salt, no pepper, no seasonings whatsoever. And you just get to enjoy the wholesome, delicious, natural flavor of these homegrown organic vegetables. Again, that's zucchini and carrots, the Scarlet Nantes variety, and these vegetables were grown right out here on the edge of this lake, and they're absolutely delicious.